Hi, Jane.
Hi, John.
Today I'm doing the demarcation of the leaves, the petals on the dogwood flower. The way that I drilled the flower, I left a ragged edge. I'm calling that the bottom. I take this hammer. You can use a blunt chisel of any type. And on the back side of the leaf, do some fairly heavy demarcation. So this, I do 3 to a petal. You don't really have to worry about the direction that much because you're going to blast that back out with a rounding hammer. Almost there. I'm using a piece of soft wood underneath, which you have to change several times depending on how many you're doing. Plywood works pretty good too. So when I'm this far, I basically flatten that back out a little bit so I can work it in the swage. I have a metal swage, but you could use any kind of wood depending on how many you wanted to do. So I start at the base of the petal. You don't want to push them too hard or you take the lines out of it. So you just move it a little bit and it keeps the strength in the petal that way. And we're trying to capture light, always the way in the iron business. So people think that, or have the perception that things are moving when they're just standing there breathing. Usually I take the edge of this and I'll do a little knockback just to keep it in concert with what nature would have on a dogwood flower. Then, if you were watching yesterday, we made these fancy little rivets up. And I've taken a piece of 1/4 inch bar. I've drilled a hole in it that's large enough to accept this. Using the round part of the hammer, I drive that deep into the socket. And there I have the flower.
Beautiful.